You know it doesn't take much to make me happy, but I do love it when I find things that just by chance, and that's what I did, and I'm going to show you exactly what it was. And I know you've heard me say 1,000 times I don't need to be out thrifting for anything because I'm not looking for anything in particular. But when my sister had another estate sale from a neighborhood family member, I couldn't resist. My name is Jamela. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrifted and Famous. And before we begin, don't forget to click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. And like I said, my sister had the opportunity to do an estate sale of one of the family members of the neighborhood that we grew up with. And going through the pictures, I noticed this oriental statue hanging on the wall. And I fell in love with it, and I just couldn't resist it because to me it was like a little bit of nostalgia for the area of which I grew up. And I really didn't have a place to hang it on the wall, so I looked at my coffee table and I just noted it could use a little pizzazz, so I just did what they call a flat lay of the statue, and I just laid it on the coffee table. And what a dramatic difference it made. So it's the small things. And speaking of small things, how about small areas? I'm going to show you how Colette and our Afro-Bohemian group has done her hallway by adding this black and white zebra rug along with this beautiful painted mural of Africa. She did a fantastic job with decorating the space. Along with the colors and the style, and her creativity really made this room pop. I love the orange color and that big round mirror that's all accented there. So this was a wonderful space and beautifully styled. Next up is another young lady, Michaela Henderson. Now she is dynamic with finding some items on Facebook Marketplace. And not only finding them, but DIYing them. Look at how beautiful this dresser turned out. And along with this dresser, she also found some African drums to go in that room. And look at how this room turned out. I absolutely love how she styled it. The coffee table previously was there. She wanted something a little more different, and she found those drums, and look at the difference that they made in her living room. Let's give her a round of applause for that beautiful room. And next up is Tay Bezzy. And now Tay is in the Afro-Bohemian group as well. But I love what she did for the holiday season. When she hand painted these Christmas decorations with the mudcloth style, I fell in love with them. I don't decorate for the Christmas holiday, but if I did, this would definitely be the style that I would try to replicate. I enjoyed looking at her style and her decorations. So I want to say happy holidays to everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrifted and Famous. Always remember, beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If so, please drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.